Hi students, MCQ number 15. 20 by pi square Henry. Inductor is connected to a capacitor of capacitance C. The value of C in order to impart maximum power at a 50 Hz frequency has to be determined. So very simple question. The value of the inductance is given. Inductance of the coil is 20 by pi square. So I will write L is equal to 20 divided by pi square Henry. Then the resonant frequency. So resonant frequency is given because for maximum power it is mentioned. When is the power be maximum? When the current in the circuit is maximum. Okay. When will be the current in the circuit be maximum? Only when the impedance is minimum or at resonance. So the frequency is resonant frequency. Resonant frequency is equal to what? 50 Hertz. Now for this, what is the value of the capacitance is a question. So the resonant frequency is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into square root of L into C. Okay. So I will substitute. So this is now equal to 1 divided by square root of. Okay. This 2 pi is taken out. Okay. 2 pi into square root of L. So instead of L, I am going to substitute 20 by pi square. So this is 20 divided by pi square into C. Now pi square is in the denominator, is it not? And also inside the square root. So root of 1 by pi square it is. So this 1 pi term will come out. Therefore now resonant frequency also we can substitute. What is the resonant frequency given is 50. So 50 Hertz is now equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into square root of this 20 into C will remain inside. 20 into C will remain inside. This pi will come in the denominator. 20 by pi square was there, it has come out as pi. So that this pi term can be cancelled. Okay. Then this 2 shall be taken to the left hand side. 50 into 2. So I will write 50 into 2 is equal to 1 divided by square root of 20 into C. Okay, 50 into 2 is 100. Now this root of 20C I will take to the left hand side. So square root of 20 into C is equal to 1 divided by what? 50 into 2 is 100. Now I will square on both sides. So square root will vanish. So this is what? 20 into C. So this is equal to 1 by 100 into 100. I have squared on both sides. Okay. So now C is equal to, therefore the value of C is now equal to 1 divided by this 20 will come down. So this is 20 into 10 power 4, or this is equal to 2 into 10 into 10 power 4, totally 2 into 10 power 5, is it not? So this is 1 by 2 into 1 divided by 10 power 5, this is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So C is now equal to 1 by 2 is 0.5 into 10 power minus 5. This also can be written as what? 5 into 10 power, okay, minus 6 farad. 10 power minus 6 farad is equal to what? Microfarad, okay. Therefore, C is now equal to 5 microfarad. So, this is the answer. So, 50.5, 500, not correct. Option D is 5 microfarad, isn't it? Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Okay. I hope you must have understood well.